Hello friends, it's Danny here, and today I'm stopping by to share 3 cards that I made with the July 2025 box of the month from Not Too Shabby. For today's cards, I used both of the stamp sets that came in the box. Let me see if I can find a name on here. Oh, there it is, Island Vibes. On this one, I just used the sentiment. And then and this one is Birds of Paradise. I did color up this parrot because it was just so intriguing to me. And I also used a couple of the sentiments from that stamp set. I did use the Birds in Paradise ephemera. I love this ephemera pack. So fun. So many different birds in it, and it's just colorful and just bright and fun. And then I used the Birds in Paradise paper pad. I think the box of the month is sold out, but you could get put on the waiting list so that you could possibly get next month's, or if one opens up. I will list the things that are still available individually. I also pulled in these Rustic Blooms enamel dots. They kind of worked with it well. And I used some dies from my stash. For each of my cards today, I used the same layout. 2 rectangles and an oval. I have those sparkling enamel dots there, and then the sentiment there, and then the image or ephemera there. This was so fun to color up. Such a pretty parrot, born to be wild and wonderful. And there's the inside. Then the next one, sending sunshine and smiles. Look, so I always wanted a cockatoo, but I've determined I'm not a good bird parent. I don't like all the feathers everywhere. I've had parakeets, so I never went down that road. Plus, they live so long, but I think they are such neat birds. I really do like birds and parrots, I guess I should say. Again, 2 rectangles and oval, those sparkling enamel dots, and I did pull in a piece of that ephemera on the inside. And then my last card, hello, and it has that flamingo. I do love flamingos. At our zoo, the Omaha's Henry Dorley Zoo and Aquarium, we just had some flamingo chicks hatch, which it's the first time in 30 years we've had flamingos hatch at the zoo, so it's kind of exciting. The day that I went, they were kind of hiding behind the adults, so I couldn't see them very well, but still so exciting. And it's just so fascinating to me that they're born white and they get that pink color from the shrimp that they eat. So just, we all know I'm a zoo nerd and I just love facts like that. So there's that. And then the inside, I did pull in that ephemera again. So there are 3 cards. Like I said, I used the same layout on each one. I thought it was a neat way to create. They went together really quick and easy. Other than this one, that it did take me a little bit to color, only because I hadn't colored a parrot in a very long time, if ever. I feel like I have. But anyways, I'm rambling. There are my 3 cards. Everything's in the description box. And until my next video, go do something for yourself and go get crafty. Bye now.